You will be amazed by this 2023 Nissan Armada. Indulge your love of the strong silent type. This handsome Armada offers remarkable capability, yet still gives you a refined, upscale passenger experience that's smooth and serenely quiet. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, fog lamps, backup camera, woodgrain interior trim, remote engine start. Make every adventure all it can be in this luxurious and powerful Armada. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.